Hi there, welcome to our quick video guide on using lookup fields in Noloco. Lookup fields help you link your data across tables easily. Let's see how they work. So let's explore how to set up lookup fields, which streamline managing your data. Firstly, open the data table where you want to integrate a lookup field. The next step would be to click on Add Field, add a name to the field, which in our case is client name, and choose Lookup from the options available. Now, select the field in your current table that connects to the source table and choose the data you wish to display. For example, we want to display the client name in our project's data table, and it's added. Click on the newly added field for advanced actions such as renaming, copying forms, an API input key, deleting, etc. Similarly, let's see how we can add a lookup field to display the status of the project in our work items data table. First off, go to the work items table and click on Add Field. Next, add a name to the field. For example, we want to display project status, so let's name it as status. Then choose Lookup as the field type. Now, select the field in your current table and choose the data you wish to display, like the status of the project. It's done. We can now see the project status in our work items tables. That's pretty much it. Lookup fields are straightforward but super effective for keeping your data connected. Don't forget to give these a try in your own projects. They'll make your data work feel like a breeze.